Good morning, everyone. I hope you're doing well today. Looks like it's going to rain, which is very exciting. This week, we're going to talk about sexual dysfunctions and atypical sexual variations. I put the word dysfunctions in quotations because I feel like when we label something of that kind of negative label, it sort of puts a stigma on it, obviously. So, hopefully throughout the semester, you've learned that there's a lot of different ways to express sexuality, and that the less we control that, the more available it is for people to be good at communicating about sex, which makes everything better in relationships and just better going forward. So, so I'm just going to ask you to kind of consider that. And so this week you've got a to-do list that hopefully you will complete. And Celeste and Danielle are local sex therapists who often come in and speak in my face-to-face classes, and they're really neat, cool educators. And so hopefully you will get to kind of see what they're about when you look at their site and just explore them a little bit. I think that's it for today. I hope you guys are okay. I hope you're having a good week, and I look forward to seeing your posts and wrapping up the semester with you. So take good care. Bye-bye.